Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will cover this lab ARC 126. Just right click, open an incognito window. Now go to task 1, copy this link, open an incognito window. Now just click this, copy app, sign in with Google, select your student account. Now click on this option again. For the app name, go back to your lab, copy this name, paste the name here, click copy app. Now this is done. Open a new tab, search for sheets, open this one, click on this icon. You'll find one sheet here, open it. Now what you have to do is, I have provided a link in description. Just go there and download this file. Now this is downloaded. Import and upload the downloaded file. Now from this import location, clicks replace spreadsheet, click on import data. This part is also done. Let's go back. Now we need to create and publish an app script. Just right click this link, open an incognito window. Click on create new project. For this content, go to the website, copy this content, replace the entire content here, save it. Now for the project title, copy this name, rename it. Now this is done. Now you need to go to Google Cloud Console again. Go to API services, OAuth consent screen. Click on get started. For the app name, copy this name, select this support email. For the audience, click internal. Next, for the contact information email, just copy this email, paste it here. I agree and continue, create. Now this is created. Let's go back and check progress for all the tasks. You can see all the tasks have been completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this lab.